Then the tension in this muscle will not pull on your knee anymore. So what you do is you go into this muscle like this and you twist it. It should be tender, it should be a little bit painful, but this muscle should be soft, should not be hard at all. So go in with your climber grip like this, go into the muscle quite deep and you pull upwards. Then the tension in this muscle will not pull on your knee anymore and the knee pain will go away. The other thing you can do is inside of your knee. I'll wait for it. Here we go. We have 3 lymph nodes like this. It should be small little lump, and you can feel it if you go like this. And you pull it, squeeze it like that. It should not be swollen. If that lymph node is swollen, it will block the drainage to your muscle like here and your thigh. And if this muscle on this side, the vastus lateralis, pulls on your knee, this side gets swollen. So open up on this side, the lymph nodes, drain them like this, and you get better circulation to your knee. Okay, try that. My name is Rune Aabø. Please subscribe if you want to learn more lymph hacks. Thank you.